Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. On this one we're just going to get into what the fuck happened to my Nissan Altima. After rebuilding the motor and everything like I'd done before, apparently, as far as I can tell from the evidence that has been provided to me through looking for it, somehow or the other, one of the cam gear bolts vibrated loose over time. It's obviously put in there tight or it would have come out immediately. At least kind of tight. So just didn't really seem like it had been torqued to the correct specifications, and it had just vibrated loose over time. So we're going to go ahead and get into that in this video, and I'll probably end up replacing all of it and getting her back road ready again. So stay tuned for all of that as well. So went ahead and decided to just pull the shit apart and check out what the fuck's going on. And this here is just like a little access panel that'll pull off. There's one of my cam gears. So the cam gear is a little bit further back. And the chain just kind of runs right along in through there. Right down the middle pretty much. And some I'm already noticing, just pulling this these couple of bolts out on this one side, is this silicone is just automatically pulling apart. This seal is already broken here as soon as I started cracking a couple bolts loose. So I'm very interested to see what the fuck's behind here. Alright, and we're back. Finally got all those bolts out of there. Let's see what kind of story she tells. Sorry, trying to do this one-handed. It's not working that well for me. Well, that's fucked. Everything else looks fine. That's fucked. Oh, let's see. What in the fuck is going on the fuck down here? Oh, yep. Shit's fucked. Yeah, broken sprocket, tooth. Right there. That's fucked. Let's see. What else do we have here? Oh. That's fucked. Let's see. That's where it was rubbing the fucking cover. Right there. It's hitting our bolt. How? I don't know. It feels tight. Let's see here. Do I have any looseness in the chain? No, doesn't really feel like it right there at least. But my tensioner is all the fucking way out. So let's feel this side. Can't fucking see the thing. Let's see here. You hear that? That's that chain moving. I can feel it. Well, that shit's fucked.